Why are Lodge cast iron skillets so cheap? Is there a difference in quality of cast iron? Is Lodge cast iron cheaper than any other type of cast iron made? Well, the answer to that is yes, it is. Is it inferior in quality? In other words, is it cheaper made and not as good of a quality of other cast iron? I don't really think so. Cast iron made by Lodge, the reason why it is so cheap is because, it's mass produced. Lodge cast iron has been around since 1896. It's the oldest remaining cast iron manufacturer in the United States. Now, there's other companies that manufacture cast iron in the United States now, but Lodge is the oldest remaining cast iron manufacturer that there is. And so they have it down pat. They know exactly what they're doing and how to do it, and they mass produce it. So that makes it a lot cheaper and more economical for us to be able to purchase that. Now, another thing too that does, because it is mass produced, is it's easily shipped. So companies in the United States, say like, I don't know, just Amazon, say Walmart, say Dick's Sporting Goods or Cabela's or somebody like that, is able to get, large quantities of cast iron and have it readily available in their stores. So it makes it easy for us to purchase it, so the price and the cost comes down on it. And so that's one thing about it. Now, the quality, some folks say that the quality is not as good. It's not made as good as it used to be years ago, because they don't take the time to the energy and the cost to grind and sand these down smooth like older cast iron used to be years ago. Even Lodge sanded some down. I mean, one of my favorite skillets is a number 8 3/0 Lodge, and it's smooth as a baby's butt. But cast iron now is a little more, not really porous, but it's textured in a sense. And so it's able to actually hold the seasoning. But Lodge comes pre-seasoned. Lodge was actually one of the first companies to start actually pre-seasoning their cast iron consistently. And so anyway, are Lodge cast iron skillets good? Yes, I say they are. Some folks beg to differ. So, hey, leave us a comment and let us know if you think Lodge cast iron skillets are good. And if you're not yet hit the like button, give us a like, and it helps our channel out. If you're not yet subscribed, we'd love to have you subscribe to us. That way, when we put out more content, you're able to get to that. So anyway, we appreciate you guys. Y'all have a great day. Now, it's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.